Hi guys, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you my Mediterranean chicken and quinoa salad. For Mediterranean chicken, you will need 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of freshly cut parsley, the juices of 2 lemons, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and 4 chicken breasts cut thin. For my quinoa salad, you will need 2 cups of quinoa, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 cup of chopped red onions, 1/4 cup of sliced olive, 1/2 cup of chickpeas, 4 ounces of sliced grape tomatoes, and a juice of 1 lemon. You will also need some pepper for taste. This would be a perfect recipe for a new year. Start the marinade for our chicken. We are going to have to juice the lemons. You want to give the lemons a roll and then cut it in half. Then stick the lemons in your juicer and squeeze. Now we are going to whisk our 1/4 cup of olive oil in with our lemon juice. And we are going to add some pepper, just to taste. Then we're going to add our garlic. Our oregano and paprika. And then our freshly chopped parsley. Now we are going to place our chicken into the marinade. When you put it in your bowl, turn it so you can make sure that you get some seasoning on all of the chicken. We are going to do this to all of the chicken. You want to mix this and make sure that all of the chicken is coated with the marinade. Now we are going to cover this and we are going to put it in the fridge and let it marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. To start our quinoa salad, we will need to juice 1 lemon. If you do not have a lemon juicer, or you just have lemon juice like comes out of the bottle, you'd probably want to use about 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. We are going to add some freshly cracked pepper into the lemon juice. Then we're going to add our Dijon mustard, our olive oil, and our garlic powder and our oregano. At this point, you want to add your tomatoes your chickpeas, your olives, and your red onions. Then we're going to mix this with our lemon mixture. Now we are going to add our 2 cups of quinoa into our vegetables. We're going to mix this well. Make sure we get some of that sauce all over it. Now this needs to set in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so all of the taste can marinate together. Now that my chicken has been marinating for just a little over an hour, I am going to spritz my grill pan with some olive oil. And I'm going to turn my eye on to medium high, and I'm going to let this come up to temperature. I'm using my grill pan today, but if you don't have one, you can just use a skillet, or you could grill outside on your gas grill or charcoal, or if you have a no smoke indoor grill, you could also use that. Now that my grill pan is hot, I am going to put my chicken in my pan. And I'm going to let it cook on this side for about 5 to 10 minutes. My chicken has been cooking on this side for about 7 minutes. I am going to turn my chicken and cook it on this side for about 7 minutes also. Now that these have been cooking for about 7 minutes on this side, I'm going to take them out of my grill pan and put them on a plate and let them rest. And I'm going to put my other 2 chicken breasts in the skillet. I'm going to let these cook for about 7 minutes on this side. Now that these have cooked for 7 minutes on this side, I'm going to turn them and cook them for 7 minutes on this side. Now that the chicken breasts have been cooking for 7 minutes on this side, I'm going to take them out of my skillet and let them rest for about 10 minutes. Now that my chicken has rested for about 10 minutes, it is time to plate. I have paired my Mediterranean chicken and quinoa salad with a spinach, tomato, cucumber, and red onion salad. If you made a New Year's resolution to start eating healthier or to drop a few pounds, you should give this recipe a try. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and comment down below what you want to see me cook next. Thank you.